Hi, this is Tony. Today I'm going to show you how to cook the uh, barbecue roast pork in the air fryer. These are all the ingredients we need. 4 pounds of meat cut in big chunk. We're going to add in the cooking wine. We're going to add in pepper. We're going to add in the pink salt a little bit. We're going to add in the garlic powder. We're going to add in the 5 spices. Add in the soy sauce and a little bit MSG. We're gonna mix it up. Once it's all mixed up, we're gonna add in the we did add soy sauce. So once it's all done, we're gonna put in the skewer, and once it's all done on the skewer, we're gonna put it on the roasting rag. We put it in there, and once it's ready, we're gonna put it in the air fryer. Which press the rotisserie chicken button, and it's all preset like 400 degrees for 30 minutes. And if it's not cooked enough, we add in another 10 minutes. So roughly maybe 40 minutes. So once it's ready, we put it in the air fryer, and start roasting. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe. You can cook it at home.